Hey, I'm Jim Phillips. I contacted Old Pueblo Heating and Air about 1.5 years ago and got to know Mike a little bit. Mike's one of those guys that just no nonsense, full of integrity. He came up to our house, inspected the house, and recommended a new install of an AC unit. We did that, and in working with Mike, he has been very professional, honest. His prices are very fair. And the equipment he put in was wonderful. In fact, I'll tell you, we saw a 35% decrease of our energy bill after installing the unit. So we have been very pleased with Mike and Old Pueblo, and I recommend it to you highly.